Hey guys, and welcome back to Meshascorner. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious summer salad. So let's get into it. These are some of the ingredients that I'll be using today. Simple, cheap. They're in every grocery store. Okay, so let's get into it. So first I'm going to chop my bell peppers. I'm going to chop everything up, so pretty much. I made this salad because, like I told y'all before, Texas is giving heat stroke, and I'm trying to cut back on like the heavier foods, even though I got a red beans recipe coming. But in my defense, I made that last week when I made the chicken wings. So yeah. Also, someone requested the vegetarian lasagna. If you guys want me to actually make that, comment below and let me know. But I'm probably going to make that because I don't have that on this channel like at all. I don't think I've ever made that. But I'm going to chop everything up and we're just going to get into it. And again, you don't have to use these colors. You can use the colors you prefer, the veggies you prefer, the fruit you prefer. I have strawberries. You can use mangoes. Ooh. Oh, I need to try this with mangoes, honey. Now, why didn't I buy mangoes? But anyway, we're going to make it work with strawberries. And so I'm just going to chop everything up. All right, so since you got to watch me chop stuff up, I may as well give y'all a baby peanut update, my daughter. So she's now 11.5 pounds, healthy and thriving. If you recall from my birth story time, you know, it was not a great birth, delivery, none of that. All of it was a mess. But she was underweight and her oxygen was super low. She had to be in the NICU for a few days, and so it was, like I said, the whole thing was a mess. So to see her thriving now, it just makes me so happy. She's also very smart, which I didn't know. Certain things I just didn't expect, like a newborn to be able to do already. So she's very smart. She makes me happy. She's very smiley. She's now socially smiling, which is what I'm happy about the most. You know how when newborns, you know, they don't really smile at all, like at all. Well, mine didn't anyway. And but now she's socially smiling. Like if I put on a show, or if I look at her a certain way, or if I tap her nose, or I tickle her, she'll smile or giggle a little bit. So that's my pumpkin schmunkin'. And I wanted to give y'all the update because, you know, we just got the update. Everything's good. And now we're finally clear for her to meet friends and family, you know, because she hasn't really been around anyone since birth. Because like I said, you know, we're all just was going through a lot, honey. And she hasn't really been around anyone, like no one, literally no one. So I'm happy about that. All right, so now I have everything nice and chopped up. I'm going to put it all together. You know, I know y'all can see you see the vision. You see the vision, okay? So I'm going to add the peppers, the shallots, the cucumber, get all of it out. Y'all, I have more of this salad left in the refrigerator. I can't wait to go eat it, and I'm actually going to eat it with a piece of salmon tonight. You don't have to eat this plain, you guys. This is just me giving you a vehicle of something that's fresh, delicious, that you could put alongside some grilled chicken, some grilled shrimp, you know, or if you're vegan, tofu, something, whatever your favorite protein is, it's great. I added some salt and pepper, not too much salt. You know, it has that tub of cheese in there. That cheese is kind of salty, honey. And then I'm going to add the dressing. No, I didn't make my own dressing because I didn't feel like it. There's no time. But you can make your own or use your favorite dressing. But I suggest something light. Nothing like ranch. Don't use ranch. Okay, not here. Don't use ranch. Maybe a habanero mango sauce or something to go with some mangoes in here. Something light and fresh. Don't use anything too heavy. Once you mix this up like you see here, look how bomb this looks. Like this looks so good and it tastes so good. Okay, period. So again, once you mix it up, make sure you mix it well so all the flavors can combine. You put it in the fridge. Well, I didn't put it in the fridge before I ate it, honey. Once I mixed it up, it was good to go for me. I went right into it. And this is how it looks. Simple, quick, and easy. This is a pita cracker, and this is pretty much how I ate it for lunch today, actually. And yeah, this is what I ate. And it was simple, meatless. You don't need the meat, but if you want it, you want more protein, add it. You're good to go. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support and your patience. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.